Hi everyone, Kazibai here. Today I will answer some important transport questions that were recently asked in a VFS Global interview. If you are preparing for Skillpass Phase 2, make sure to watch carefully and take notes. Question 1. What type of transport do you like and why? Let's see how we can answer this question naturally. Well, I really enjoy traveling by train. It is comfortable and safe. And I also love watching the scenery while the train moves. Trains are reliable for long distance and give me a chance to relax during the journey. Question number 2. Do you like traveling? What type of transport system do you often prefer? You can try the answering it like this. Yes ma'am, I love traveling. For long trips, I usually take trains or flight because they are fast and comfortable. For the short trip around the city, I prefer buses or taxis because they are very easy and convenient. Question number 3. Do you feel safe while traveling at night and do you use the public transport? A good way to answer this would be, honestly, I feel safe when I use trusted options like registered taxis or metro train. I avoid isolated area and always stay alert at night. Safety is very important. So guys, these were 3 important transport questions for Skillpass Phase 2. Practice your answer like this and you will feel more confident in your exam and interviews. Follow me for more tips, like this video if it helps, and share it with your friends who is preparing for Skillpass. See you in the next video.